What's going on, YouTubers? It's Dre, BlackSmithRC 2021. Now, look at these boxes right here, guys. Some new stuff from Burt 3DRC. What are these, you ask? They are storage boxes and crawler boxes. It's got the little divot in right in here where you take your crawler, pretty much any one of them, and set right in there, just like that. Now, what makes this so different and so special? Well, other than setting something on it, you can open it. There's the lid. Oh, there's something in there. You can take whatever items you have for your favorite RC crawler, put it right inside the stand. Never have to worry about your tires having the flat marks on them. None of that. If you want to get one, check it out on Burt 3D. There'll be a link down in the bottom of the description box. You guys keep making it do what it do. 2021. Out.